What if I told you that AI assistants no longer needed hundreds of custom integrations to use your apps? Instead of building separate connector for each app like Google Drive, GitHub, Slack, or database, there is now one universal standard to connect the app. It's called MCP. And many people believe what USB did for computer, MCP is doing the same for AI. Let's understand it that in 3 minutes. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a common language that lets AI models communicate with external tools and data. Without MCP, every AI application needs its own custom integration. If you have 10 AI apps and 20 tools, you would end up creating hundreds of separate connections. With MCP, every tool only needs to support the MCP standard once, and every compatible AI assistant can use it. That's why developers are calling it the USB-C for AI. How it works. Here is a simple example. Imagine you ask an AI assistant, summarize my latest GitHub commits and create a task in Notion. Normally, the AI would have direct access to your GitHub or Notion account. But with MCP, those services expose an MCP server. Your AI assistant acts as an MCP client. The client asks the server what tools are available. The server replies with tools like read GitHub repos, get commits, create Notion pages. The AI then chooses the appropriate tool, send the request, get the result, and gives you the final answer. Everything happens through one standard protocol. For developers, MCP means less integration of code, easier maintenance, better compatibility. For users, it means AI assistants can securely access your files, database, APIs, and business tools without every company inventing a different integration method. We are already seeing MCP servers for GitHub, Google Drive, PostgreSQL, Slack, file system, and many other services. So remember, LLM are the brain, tools do the work, MCP is the standard that connects them together. If you are learning AI, Node.js, or building AI agents, MCP is definitely a technology you should know. Follow for more simple tech explanation.